Hey there, my name's Ben Bratrud with Paramount Residential Mortgage Group.
And I'm Kyle Deady with the PNW Real Estate Team at Keller Williams Realty.
And we are excited to announce the raffle winner for coming by our open house in Lakeland Hills this past weekend. We're giving away a Craft 19 gift card for everybody who came by and signed in. So thank you so much for coming by. It was a great turnout. Kyle, what was the final numbers?
So we had 26 total parties that came through, including several home buyers, several agents that came by with their buyers, and actually had quite a few neighbors that came by as well that showed some interest in possibly getting their condo on the market here in the near future. I talked to the listing agent this morning. They did get several offers over the weekend on the condo. Their seller is working with one of the buyers right now to get signed around on one of those offers. So if you were interested in that unit or liked it and maybe didn't have a chance to put an offer on it because maybe you didn't have a pre-approval or an agent that you're working with, maybe just get started in the home buying process, let us know. We'd be happy to get you set up, get you pointed in the right direction so that when one of these other condos does come up, and I anticipate that more will, you're prepared to get your ducks in a row and are ready to jump on it if it's the right fit for you. So Ben's going to give away the gift card to Craft 19. If you guys haven't been there, it's a great place in Downtown Sumner. Coffee and Creperie. It's a great atmosphere, great food, great coffee.
Yeah,
so Ben.
absolutely. So let's get this show on the road here. We're going to go ahead and press start to shake up the box here. We've got everybody entered in. Let's check out who our winner is. Awesome. Lindy, lucky Lindy, coming through. Awesome. Thank you so much for coming by the open house, Lindy. We're going to be reaching out to you on the phone and get in touch with you on how the best way to get this card over to you.
Congratulations, Lindy. If you haven't been to Craft 19, I know you're going to like it. Look forward to a call from Ben or myself to get that gift card over to you. And then thank you guys again for showing up to the open house, for watching this video. We'll see you guys at the next one.